So, hi.
We worked our week, we need a day, 24-hour getaway. Let's take it slow, fill up our tank, try to forget yesterday. The weather's hot, the beer's ice cold, tie that tube up to that boat. Pack the Yeti, rally up your friends, find some water, jump on in. Then let's go, go, go and play, soak that sun up on that lake. Feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Let's go, go, get carried away, grab a drink, time to party. Feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Raise your cup, leave your worries behind. Recharge your soul and forget about life for a while. Let the chips fall far where they may. We're feeling good on a Sunday fun day. Yes, Sunday fun day. Take a moment to relax, spend the afternoon kicking back. It's a no worries kind of day. Let's feed our soul in our happy place. 'Cause all we got is one.
So, hi guys! Home baker din ng lola nyo. At nagbebenta rin tayo nitong mga delicacies na to. Itong ating yema cake na look at that. This is not an ordinary chiffon. Tignan nyo how moist it is. Ayan, tignan nyo itsura niya. So, yun. Ang sarap, diba? At generous tayo maglagay ng topping ang ating yema sauce. So, ayan guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-order, binibigay ko lang yan ng 165 ang isang tab. At kung marami kayong bibilin, pwede kong ibigay sa inyo ng 150 o saan ka pa. Hindi ka malulugi dito guys dahil talagang ang topping at cheese nito ay napakarami. So ayan guys, tignan nyo naman at moist na moist ang ating base na cake. Oh, diba? Pag natikman nyo ito talagang masasarapan kayo at sasabihin nyo, uulitin nyo pa. Okay, ako ang nag-taste. Pero kahit kayo ang mag-taste at may nag-taste na rin ng iba nito at gustong gusto talaga niya kasi napakalinamnam ng ating yema sauce na hindi tinipid. So ayan guys, baka gusto nyo mag-order, i-PM nyo lang ako. Pag bulk ang order nyo 150, pag hindi 165. Yun lang, bye!